Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 5 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is decimals and the lessons are decimal number lines, put decimal numbers in orders, convert fraction to the decimals, convert decimals to the fraction. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. So today we are here for I was just checking my mic. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using the email and passwords that are provided by the administrator. Select Maths from the Subject tab. Scroll down to the grade 5. And then here are the list of the chapters that is given here. So we are on the chapter decimals. Let's continue. And then here are the list of the lesson. Decimal number lines. So this is the number line. As we can see that I'm going to draw it number line here. Okay. For example, here is number line. This is 0 and here it's 1. Here it's 0.5. Now here is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9, and this is 1, or you can say that 1.0. So if they are saying that just locate the position, sometimes they are not just giving and here. Okay, they just write it down like this way. For example, these are not given. Okay, these 0.1, 0.2 and all that is not given, and they are saying that just locate the position. Okay, for example, they locate some positions. They are saying that you are going to finding it out this one. Let's suppose they are saying that finding it out this position W. So what we do, we're just going to count. It's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So your W that is equals to 0.6. This is the way that we solve it. Okay. Now let's suppose if they are saying that what is this value X. So that is 0.2. Okay. In this way we are going to write it one by one. Now let's suppose this number line value is this number line is given and they are saying that locate the M. So what is M here? Now everyone tell me in the chat, I'm waiting. Everyone just tell me in the chat what is the answer for M. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's on 9 position, so it's 0.9. Okay. Now let's discuss the test questions. So find the value of t, write your answer as a decimal number. So everyone tell me in the chat what is value of t? So find the value of t. I was just checking the mic. Everyone tell me what is the value of t here? It's 0, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. It's on 0.3. Let me just write it here. Find the value of m, write your answer as a decimal number. Okay? If the number line is from 0 to 1, find m. It's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5. It's on 0.5. So let's go with the 0.5. And that is the right answer. Now let's discuss the next. Let's suppose if I'm going to write it here. You guys tell me, okay? That is 0, this is 1, and that is 2. Now here, so if there are some points are here and I'm going to mention it, okay? And if I'm going to say that, put this point m. This is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. Okay, this is the point I'm in. If I'm going to say that this point, so it's 0.8. It's mentioned from their previous. This is 0 and it's on 8th line. This is 1 and it's on 4th line. So it's 1.4. This is 0.8. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this. Find the value of j, write your answer as a decimal number. It's on 0.8. All right, okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Okay, only just do this one and then tell me the answer. What is the position of S? Now, what is the position of S? Just tell me. So, position of S is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Yes, it's on 0.5. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Now, let's discuss the next. Solve the rest of the test questions related this lesson by yourself. So we have done the decimal number line. Now let's do the put decimal numbers in order. So here, if some kind of things are given, so we are just going to check it out from least to greatest or greatest to least. Okay. For example, if I'm going to write it here some numbers, let me write it here some numbers here. Okay. 1.5, 2.8, 6.3, 7.9, 2.4, 3.3. Now just arrange it from greater to least. Okay. Now what is the first greater number here in all of it? Everyone tell me in the chat. What is the first greater number? That is 7.9. After that, it's 6.3. After that, it's 3.3. Then it's 2.8. Then it's 2.4. Then in the end, it's 1.5. This is all about greater to least. Okay. Now, how can we see like this is the thing that we have done it? We are just going to checking it out. Place digit first of all. If ones are same, then we check the 10th place digit. Okay. Like in all of these, first of all, we're gonna check it out. Ones place 7 is greater. We're putting here. Then 6 is greater. Then 3 is greater. Then now two both are same. It's 2.8 and 2.4. So first we see these both are same, then we move to these two. So which one is greater? 2.8 is greater. So we put firstly 2.8. Okay. Now I'm going to write it here some numbers. Then you guys tell me the answer, okay? So I am going to write 1.5, 2.2, 5.6, 7.3, and 2.1. So now arrange it from least to greatest. So now let's do it. Okay, everyone tell me from the smaller number firstly. Check everyone and then tell me what is the smaller number in all of it. This is 1.5. Okay. After that, there are two numbers 2.2 and 2.1. Which is smaller? Yes, it's 2.1. Now, after that, it's 2.2. After that, in both these two numbers, 5.6, then 7.3. This is from least to greatest. It means first you write the smaller number, then you move to the greater one. Okay, this is the way that we solve it. Now let's discuss some test questions. So put these number in order from least to greatest. 4.2, 4.5, 4.6, 4.1, and 5.7. It's from least to greatest. Look at here the first option. It's 4.1, that is smaller. This is right. 4.2 after that is smaller. Then it's 4.5, then it's 4.6, and then 5.7. We go with the first option, okay? And that is the right answer. Let's do it the next one. For example, if I'm going to write it here, okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this. From greater to least. It's from greater to least. So now tell me everyone what is the right answer? Greater number is it's 9.8. After it's 7.1, then 5.4, then 3.7, 2.4, and then 1.8. Okay, no, it's not like I'm saying that greater to least. So first we're gonna write the greater number, then move to the least. Okay, your answer is right, but you are just moving from smaller to greater. I'm going to write it here greater to least. Okay, all right everyone, hope you guys understand this lesson. Now let's start the next. Convert fraction to the decimals. First of all, I'm just going to tell you what is the difference between decimals and the fractions. Okay, fractions are basically like the numbers are in the form of like this way: 2 by 3, 7 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 over 9, like numbers in like this way. Okay, and the decimal numbers are in form of like this: point are involved: 1.5, 2.3, 2.4, 7.1, 8.33, 0.56, like these kind of numbers. These are decimals, and this is fraction. Okay, write 33 over 100 as a decimal number. How can we get the answer this one? if you have are going to divide over 100, it means if there are two zeros are involved, so only one point is given here and there is no zero. Okay, but if there are three zeros are involved, like this way, 33 over 1000, so 0 point as it is, 33 as it is, but after decimal you are putting 1 point, 1 2 and 3. Okay, three zeros are. Now if there are 10,000, so it's 0 point double zero double three, 1 2 3 and 4, all four digits are four digits after point. Okay, now if there is only 33 over, or you can say that 3 over 10, so this is 0 0.3, 1 0, nothing here. Okay, I'm going to write it here, some digit, you tell me the answer. Okay, tell me the answer of this one. Okay, now everyone solve this one and then tell me the answer. Everyone tell me in the chat. Okay, 0 0.2 is right. Very good. So this becomes 0 0.057, 0 0.59 and 0 0.2. These are all the answers. Very good, everyone. Now let's do the test questions. 7 over 100. So everyone tell me the answer. After decimal point, there are two digits are involved. This is only one digit on the top. So what we do? You just add 0. Okay. Just adding 0 with it. So 7 by 100. So how can we solve it? It's not 0 0.7, dear. 0 0.07. There are two zeros after point. There are two numbers. Okay. 0 0.07. Option 1. 9 by 10. Tell me the answer of this. Everyone just tell me the answer of this. What is the answer of this? 0 0.9 or 0 0.09? Everyone tell me. One side it's 0 0.9. Is it right? so it's 0.9. After decimal, it's only there is only one zero, so it's only 1 point. Okay, very good. It's 0.9. 77 over 1000. Solve this one. 77 over 1000. So what is the answer of this? How many zeros are involved there? Okay, one side it's option 2 and one side it's 0.077. This is the same thing. Option 2 is 0.077 and that is right. Very well done. Now 9 over 1000. This is a very tricky question. Everyone tell me this one. I'm just giving you the hint. You are completing the numbers after point. Three digits are completed because it's a thousand. So it's 9 over 1000. So here 0 point. How many digits of zero that you put it? If I'm going to write it like this way, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 0.009. And that is the right answer. 3 over 10. Solve everyone this one, this question. That is 0.3. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay. We already done it. Decimal number line. Put decimal number in orders. Convert fraction to decimal. Convert decimals to fraction. Now opposite of this. Now how can we solve it? I'm just going to tell you. If you have a numbers like this way, 0.0557. Let's saying that convert this decimal. This is our decimal into the fraction. We draw the fraction line. In the point, we are putting 1. After how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros are put. And now what is your answer? 57 over 1000. Okay. Alright, let me just write it here. Something, for example, 0.00256. So convert it. We are just going to draw the line. After decimal point, we are putting 1. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And write our answer. Zeros are not included. Only single answer. 256 over 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 lakh. Okay. Now I'm going to write it here some numbers. Let's take some numbers first of all from here as well. Okay, so I'm going to write it some digits. 0.63, 0.1, 0.44, then 0.056, 0.0098, 0.3. So these are all the questions. Everyone tell me in the chat one by one. Everyone tell me in the chat, please. Do it, everyone. 0.3. Everyone tell me in the chat. Let's start from the first one. 1 and then 20. So answer is 63 over 100. After point it's 1 and how many digits? 1 digit. So 1 by 10. From this after point it's 1, two zeros are here. So 44 over 100. Now from this 1 and then 3 zeros. So 56 over 1000. Now after point it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So just placing 98 over 10,000. So after point it's 1, just putting 1 zero, so 3 over 10. These questions that we have done it. Okay. Hope you guys understand it. Now let's discuss the test questions. So 7 as a fraction in the simplest form. So 0.37. How can we solve it? Yes, everyone, tell me the answer in the chat, please. In place of point, we are going to put 1. And after point, how many digits we are adding? 1 and then 20. Answer is 37 over 100. Okay, let's check. Is there any answer for 37 over 100? This is the right answer. Okay. Now 0.3 as a fraction. 0.3. Tell me, everyone, this question. In the form of point, you put 1 and then how many? 1 0. What is the answer? 3 by 10. So now let's see the answer 3 by 10. This is the right answer, okay? 0.1. So in the point we're putting 1. How many digits after point? 1 digit. 1 0. Just putting 1 over 10, not including these point and zeros, okay? So 1 by 10. 0.73 as a fraction in simplest form. 0.73. So in the form of point you put 1. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, in form of point you are going to put 1 and then 2 zeros. So answer is 73 over 100. So it's 73 over 100. 0.57. Putting 1 in the form of point. How many zeros? We are putting 2 zeros. So just placing like this way, 57 over 100. So 57 over 100 is here. 0.25. 0.25. In place of this point, I'm just putting 1 and then 2 zeros. So here it's 25 over 100. Okay. 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 4 is 100. So 1 by 4 is your answer. Here it's 1 by 4. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So today we covered the grade 5 maths decimal. The chapter today we covered that is decimal number lines. Put decimal numbers in orders, convert fraction to decimals and convert decimals to fraction. Hope you guys understand this lesson. You can find all the lessons from aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. So before starting the next session, you guys make sure to practice all this lesson and all the questions. And if you still need any help in any of the question regarding these lessons, you can contact tutors on Sky. You can contact tutors basically. How can you contact? You are just using this live chat that is available on the A plus website, putting your department maths, putting your name here, then just send. In this way, you directly contact with the tutors. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.